when I go boondocking and I don't have any electrical hookups, I use Zamp panels. These are 140 watts, 70 a piece, in order to charge up my batteries so that I can use things within my RV inside my Airstream when I'm out boondocking or don't have any hookups. I love these panels. They're very easy to set up and take down. They did cost around $600. I got them off of Amazon, and they keep everything powered up. So I'll go ahead and show you what they look like. They are a little on the heavy side. I would say they're about 40 pounds, maybe 35 to 40 pounds, and it is a little bit of awkwardness setting them up, but pretty much anyone can do it if you just take your time. They keep my batteries more charged than what an electrical outlet would do on a sunny day. I've had some overcast days the last few days, so even with the overcast days, I'm getting some good charge on the batteries. So I'll go ahead and show you how they're set up. So the Zamp batteries come in this case, a little suitcase they call it, and it unzips on either side, and it has a handle. So you can carry it, and we'll go ahead and open it up. When you open up the panel, or the suitcase, this is what the panels look like. And you just go ahead and twist this little latch and then open it up. And this is what's inside. You have the controller and then the wiring that you plug into your Airstream. Pretty easy. And then these are the legs that open up so that it stands up. So we'll go ahead and set that up so you can see what that looks like. Once the legs are extended, then you can go ahead and set it there and go get the cord. It has the plug to plug into the side of the Airstream. And you can see the controller is just blinking because it hasn't been set up yet. I'll go ahead and plug this in. Okay, just plug that in. A controller that identifies what type of battery you have, whether it's a lithium or a wet battery, and you just push the button based on what type of battery you have, the battery type, and then just put it in the sun. And you can see I'm at 13.1, keeps fluctuating to 13.2, and it's a cloudy day today, so it'll get up to over 14, and I have wet batteries. So you can get maximum energy from these from the solar panels into your batteries. I did purchase this long master lock cable that I put around one of the legs of the Zamp panels, and then I hook it to around the Airstream body, and then just put a padlock on the end. And it keeps the panels from walking away. Keeps everything good. So that's how I keep the batteries charged in my Airstream. Pretty good system. Thanks for watching. Just a quick update. The sun is out, very strong, and I'm at currently 14.7. That's pretty awesome. Yes, highly recommend these Zamp panels. They work great.